Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take a card, put it in a bag, and make it magically change into another card.
What?
To do this, it's really easy. You just need a card that's taped back to back, and all you're doing is simply just turning the bag. Altogether, it looks like this. Magic.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take a starburst and magically make it go into your mouth.
What?
To do this, you need 2 starbursts, one right here and one in your mouth. Keep the starburst hidden in your mouth, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna pretend to grab it. They think it's in this hand, but it's really in here. And all you do is you take it, slap, and bam, in your mouth.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take a ring and literally pop it right off your finger.
What?
This is actually really easy. All you need to do is put the ring on, and literally all you're doing in really fast motion is taking the ring off. Sounds stupid, but really it looks cool. Like that.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take any Sharpie and turn it into a pair of glasses.
What?
To do this, you just need a Sharpie and any pair of glasses. Keep your glasses hidden in your hand like so, and all you're doing is bringing the Sharpie in and putting the glasses in your hand. Altogether, it looks like this. Bam, magic.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take any credit card and make it look like you snapped it in half.
What?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna pretend like you're bending it, but what you're really doing is just snapping it to your other hand like so. With a little bit of acting, it looks great. Just like that.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take a Sharpie, put it in a dollar bill, and literally take the Sharpie and go right through, but there's not a single hole on that bill. To do this, you're actually gonna rip the bill right at the top. You're gonna fold it up like so, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna place a Sharpie through that slit, and so when you have the paper, it looks like it goes through, but in reality, it does not.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to show you how to take a 3 and split it into an ace and a 2.
What?
To do this, what you need is a 2 of hearts, and then you're gonna need to tape a 3 of hearts to the ace of hearts. Take the 3 and place it with the 2. Literally, all you're doing is taking that top card and turning it over. Altogether, it looks like this. Magic.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to show you how to take a McDonald's cup and magically make a straw up here.
What?
All you need for this is a little straw. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut down the middle of this straw, and all you're gonna do is roll up the straw like so. Once you have it like this, all you gotta do is hold it in your hand like so, and then you're just gonna bite it and let it go. Bam, instant straw.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take any corn right here
and literally make it
go through your skin. To do this, it's actually really easy. All you're gonna do is pretend to pick it up. Looks like this. You're pretending to grab it, but it falls. Pretend like it's in your hand and you just rub and it vanishes.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take a $1 bill, fold it up, and literally change it into a $100 bill.
What?
For this, you need a $1 bill and a $100 bill. Fold the $100 bill up, keep it hidden in your hand, and all you're doing is swapping the 2 bills when you fold it. And then bam, $100 bill.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to make a card appear out of nowhere.
What?
The secret to this is just angles. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take the card and hold it with your middle finger like that. From the front, you can't see anything, but you're really hiding your card. And all you're doing is grabbing the card. Altogether, it looks like that.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take any card and turn it to cash.
What?
To do this, you need a credit card and a dollar bill. Hide it behind the card. All you're doing is a little bit of a snapping motion to bring the dollar bill to the front like that. Do it fast, it looks like this.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can take a pack of crayons and make them vanish.
What?
To do this trick, what you need is a bunch of half crayons stuck together, place it inside of the box, and literally all you're doing is letting those crayons drop to the bottom. Altogether, it looks like this. Magic.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can take one card and magically change it into another.
What?
To do this, it's actually pretty easy. You need to be holding 2 cards. Hold the 2 cards back to back, and all you're doing is using your 2 fingers to flick the card around. When you do it fast, it looks like this. Ready? 3, 2, just like that. Queen of diamonds.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can take a photo of a 20 and literally take it right out of a phone.
What?
For this, all you need is a $20 bill and 2 photos, one of a black screen and one of a $20 bill. Take the 20, put it behind the phone, and all you're doing is swiping between the 2 photos. Instant $20 bill.
Sean, show me a magic trick.
I got you. Watch the pack of gum on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. A completely sealed new piece.
What? Sean, show me a magic trick.
I got you. Watch the jack of diamonds on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
What? Sean, Show me your magic trick.
I got you. Watch the $100 bill. All you have to do is stretch. Just like that.
What? Sean, teach me your magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can take any ring, take it right off, and throw it right back on.
What?
To do this, it's actually really easy. You're not taking off the ring. All you're doing is you're coming over your hand, and you're switching the two fingers like that, and then when you throw it up, you just switch it again. In the front, it looks like this. You pretend to take it off. It's really right there, and just like that.
Sean, teach me your magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can take a phone and literally put it inside of a balloon, just like that. To do this, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is blow up the balloon, and all you do is you push the phone against the balloon. When you do so, it traps the phone inside, and it looks like it's inside the balloon.
Sean, teach me your magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to show you how you can flick cards out of a deck. What? To do this is actually really easy. Take your index finger, push a card down, and it'll flick up. When you time it right, it looks cool.
Sean, teach me your magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to make any card magically appear.
What?
To do this, what you need to do is take the card and hide it in your hand like that. From the front, it's hidden, but really you have a card. And all you're doing is using your index and middle finger to make it appear. Altogether, it looks like that.
Sean, teach me your magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take a pen and turn it into a toothbrush.
What?
To do this, you need a pen and a toothbrush. Take the toothbrush, have it hidden in your hand like so. And all you're doing is you're bringing the pen in while also putting the toothbrush in your hand. From the front, it looks like this. Bring the pen in, put the toothbrush in your hand.
Sean, teach me your magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to magically make gum appear.
What?
All you need to do is cut out an extra piece of gum from another packet, have it hidden behind. All you're doing is sliding that piece inside that little part. From the front, it looks like magic.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can take any coin and magically go inside a water bottle. To do this is actually really easy. All you need to do is make a small slit on the back, and literally all you're doing is pushing that coin through the slot. With a little bit of acting, it looks really good. Watch the coin. Bam! Inside the water bottle.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how you can magically make a paper ball vanish.
Whoa!
This is actually really easy. All you're gonna do is you're gonna pretend like you're putting it in, but you're holding onto it, and then you make it vanish. Altogether, it looks like this. Vanish.
Sean, teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to show you how you can take a blue deck of cards and magically, just like that, change it into a red deck.
Whoa!
To do this, you need a red deck of cards and a blue card. All you do is you take the blue card, you place it on top. You hold another red card in your hand like so. And literally all you're doing is you're dropping off that red card at the top. When you do it fast, it looks like this. Bam. Magic.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.